Hello friends, I welcome back to all my Be Cognizant YouTube channel. Friends, today I want to talk about the transformative power of reflection. Reflection is more than just thinking about the past. It is powerful tool for personal growth, learning and self-improvement. Without reflection, we go blindly on our way. No matter what field you work in, you cannot be effective without reflecting on your work. The more reflect you are, the more effective you are. Just accumulating knowledge without thinking on it is pointless. You end up in lots of information but no insight. Thinking without knowledge or facts can lead to assumptions or misguided ideas. It is like building on shaky ground. Study without reflection is a waste of time. Reflection without study is dangerous. Becoming better, when you focus improving yourself, you you start to seeing changes. Everything around us become better. Your progress impact positively relationship, work and surroundings. It is like when you upgrade yourself, your whole world upgrades. Your personal progress has contagious effect. As you level up, you attract better opportunities, people and contribute to making things around you better. As we strive to become better than we are, everything around us become better too. Just having an experience doesn't work automatically. Mean you will learn about what happened, what worked, what didn't. That is real magic happen. Experience, events happen, things go right or wrong. Reflection, you analyze, draw insight and connect dots. That is where real magic happen. Learning comes from understanding what experience brought. You just not going through it. We do not learn from experience. We learn from reflecting on experience. Understanding ourselves. Reflection help us to figure out values, goals, and what is holding you back. Growth, by reflecting our on our mistakes. Uh, by reflecting, we learn our mistakes, build on strength, and course correct. Meaningful life. When you are aware of yourself and intentional about choices, life feels more purposeful. You cannot have meaningful lives without having self reflection. By reflecting on our experience, thoughts and feelings, we can get uh, we can learn about our mistakes. uh, we can gain valuable insights and learn about our mistakes and develop a deeper understanding of ourselves and world around us. Aristotle has said that by knowing ourselves is the beginning of wisdom. Reflection helps us to identify our area of self improvement. By reflecting on our mistakes, we can learn from them and make a positive changes. Develop self awareness. Through self awareness, we can get understanding of our thoughts, feelings, and plan, and it and help us to stay focused and stay motivated. Reflection is the lamp of heart. If it depart, hearts will have no lights. Ask for feedbacks from others and reflect on their perspectives. To harness the power of reflection, try learning to write down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Reflection is more powerful tool for personal growth and development. By incorporating reflection into our daily routine lives, we can gain valuable insights. We can learn from our experiences and become wiser and self more aware individual. My mission in life is not merely to survive but to thrive. Do so with some compassion, some humor, and some style. Reflection is more powerful tool for personal growth and development. By incorporating reflection into our daily routine lives, we can gain valuable insights, we can learn from our experiences and become wiser and self more aware individual. My mission in life is not merely to survive but to thrive. Do so with some compassion, some humor, and some style. Finally, reflection is not looking back for backward, but it is about looking forward with purpose and intention. By reflection, we can create a bright future for ourselves and uh, world around us. In this way, friends, let me stop here. I hope you might have really liked today's motivational programs. Uh, Friends, do watch our recently uploaded programs. The name of the uploaded programs are do excellent job in 2026. Second, teaching reading English. Third, my success on YouTube. The link of all these programs have been given in the description of this program. So do watch our programs and do like, share and comment on the programs of Be Cognizant YouTube channel. Friends, in this way friends, let me stop here. See you soon in the next program. Till then, bye bye. God bless you.